Significant figures. Another way of rounding numbers is to count only the first few digits, we call them figures, that have a value attached to them. This method of rounding is called significant figures, and it's often used with larger numbers and very small numbers. For example, when we have the number 0.00278 and rounding to the nearest unit is required, the result is 0. The same thing is true when asked to round the number to the nearest tenth or hundredth. The results will be 0.0 and 0.00 respectively. Therefore, it is more appropriate to take a look at the structure of number and see which rounding is meaningful to apply. To do this, we have to look at the digits, figures, that are not 0. In the specific case, we must start looking from the digit 2 and onwards for any possible rounding, as this operation, rounding, is meaningful only when non-zero digits are involved. Such digits that are important for any possible rounding are known as significant figures. For example, the number previously mentioned has three significant figures, 2, 7, and 8, because only these numbers can be used for rounding. That is all for lesson 2.1.7. To continue this tutorial, please watch 2.1.8 Rules of Significant Figures. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.